Today I'm going to teach you a really simple trick on how you can take your title cards to the next level by adding this glowing chrome effect to it inside of After Effects. It's really simple. Let's get straight into it. So first up, right here we have our title and our music video. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to layer. I'm going to create a new solid, just name it whatever, and make sure it's a black color. Hit OK. Then I'm going to go to my effects and presets panel right here on the right. I'm going to search for the fractal noise effect, and I'm going to apply that fractal noise directly to my solid layer right there. Now I'm going to change the fractal type to max. I'm going to change the noise type. I keep the noise type at soft linear actually. We're going to increase that contrast a bit to around 230. And then decrease the brightness a little bit. Now I'm gonna hit the drop down on transform, uncheck uniform scaling, and the key thing that we're gonna do right here is we're actually gonna scale both of these up just a little bit so that they're a little bit larger, but I'm gonna make sure that the height is way larger and way more scaled than the width. And I'm can even go out of the of the slider and stretch it a little bit. I might even decrease the width just a tad bit like that. There we go. Now we kind of got this crazy looking, like, I don't even know what you call this, like stretch blob effect. Now I'm going to go over here to the drop down. I'm going to hit the drop down on effects, hit the drop down on fractal noise right here on our solid layer. Now we're going to use a really quick expression. I actually have this video right here which you can check out if you want to learn like 5 more cool expressions for After Effects. Really helpful. Definitely recommend you look into it. I'm going to go over here to my evolution. Now hold Option or Alt if you're on PC, Option if you're on Mac, and click the little keyframe icon next to evolution. And you're going to do that, and it's going to open up the expression panel. Now what you're going to do is you're going to type a very simple expression. We're going to type time Astra, let's do 50, hit OK. And basically what this is doing is it's just going to animate our evolution of the blobs forever. I might even increase that to around like 90. Let's try that. Yeah, now I actually like 90 better. So what expressions are basically just code that set animation for a clip forever essentially, so you never ever have to keyframe anything. Really helpful. Now that we have our solid chrome layer pretty much set up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my effects and presets. I'm going to search for the blobalize effect right here, and I'm going to drag that to our black solid. Now everything disappeared. Hit the drop down on blobbiness, and we are going to change the blob layer right here from the solid to our text. And ta-da, we have chrome effects on our text right now. I'm going to turn off our chrome layer below our text below that because we don't need it. One other thing we can apply is glass. I'm going to search for CC glass and apply that to my solid layer as well. And then this basically just allows us to like adjust the surface properties such as the height, displacement and stuff like that. So honestly, pretty cool. Just make sure it's set to chrome. Oops, my fault. So yeah, that's looking pretty sick so far, but let's take this even further. We're going to go back to our effects and presets, and we're going to search for a glow effect. I'm going to apply just the standard glow to my solid layer, and then I'm just going to increase that radius a little bit. That way we have some nice glow on our chrome effect text right there, and it's honestly looking pretty sick. One other effect that you can apply is if you want to take this to the other entire level is you can come over here to your effects and presets, and you can search for the colorama effect. We're going to apply that to our solid, and I'm actually going to apply this below our glow layer, so you can see it's making everything look really crazy. Apply that below our glass actually as well, and ta-da, now we have some insane like heat map chrome looking effects. And the cool thing about this is that we can actually just go ahead and still edit our text if we need to. So we can make it say anything we want it to say. So just like that, boom, I can adjust the text and it can just basically serve as a template. Now, if you want to save all the time that we spent making this glowing chrome title and you just want to do this automatically, and let's say you want to do this for logos and pretty much everything else, we actually have a preset pack that I built inside of After Effects. It works for After Effects and Premiere Pro. It has over 30 plus glowing chromatic cinematic title cards. They all come with animation and they're super easy to use. Right here, we're inside of Premiere Pro actually, and you can see all I literally have to do is go to my graphics panel. I search for Chrome right here, and then there's a bunch of different crazy templates. We have this one right here, which is honestly my favorite, number 28. And I'm just going to scale this down a little bit like that. And then I can just replace this with whatever I want. So I'll just type in my new text like like that, and ta-da, done. It's perfectly adjusted. I love this pack. Honestly, it was one of my favorite packs ever, like I've ever made. So if you want to check it out, it's really dope. And another cool thing about this is that we actually have logos. So right here I have like logo number 3, and I can just go ahead and scale this down. Of course, I'm gonna go over here to my properties panel, just hit this hamburger icon next to insert your logo and replace from Finder. Let's search for a cool logo that I have. Oh, I actually have my 11% Audemars Piguet custom logo. So I'm going to hit OK, open that, and you can see, watch this, hands are off the keyboard. Boom, just like that, we have an insane custom animated logo of any choice. I can insert any logo that I literally want. All I have to do is just replace with it from Finder, and boom, just like that, we have some insane instant effects. Honestly, if you want to check this pack out and take your title card designs to the next level, I definitely recommend checking it out. It's available at our website, 11%.net. There we also have a bunch of other crazy templates. We got more title cards. We also have new productivity tools dropping, such as this Pomodoro timer built inside of After Effects, which you might have seen right here. That way you can just basically track your productivity in After Effects, keep yourself productive. But if you want to learn some more title card design tricks, you can check out this video linked right here.